Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle. This is my son Dante. Say hi. He plays this game on his tablet. I got him this for Christmas. He really like basketball. So yeah, we're gonna put this together. Okay, you ready? You ready? Let's go.
Go.
These are the ones that we're starting with, and then we're gonna be using these. Put it in there.
Okay.
Good job. Good job, Steve. Yep.
Yeah.
Can you put this one on there?
Okay.
Put it on this one. Let's see. Good job. No, let it go. Look at that deal. Oh, put it down. What are you doing with it? Put it down. And those go on these. Put it on there. It's time to put the net on.
Okay.
So I need another pole. Thank you. Oh, so this goes on here. So in here we got the air pump for his basketballs, the basketballs, and then I guess this is the stuff for the hoop. Oh my gosh, this net. Okay, the blue go at the bottom. So there's little hooks in here. I think these hook onto. You want to put the nail through first, like that, and then you want to put that on there, and then you're going to tighten it with this thing. I don't know if it really matters which hole. Maybe it makes it higher or shorter which hole you put it in, but I'm putting it in the second one. Hey, give me that. Give me that. Thank you. Okay, so next we got the balls. Try to shoot. Yay! Good boy! Good job! So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna be posting more videos of me and my son.